Squarespace just absolutely changed the game when it comes to SEO. Now, people will say that Squarespace has been a little bit behind the curve with SEO since, well, probably since their inception. Now, with the newest version of Squarespace, was 7.1, I don't think that's really the case. What they have been slightly behind on is actually applying AI for different features on the site in in a way that's actually beneficial. So some features have rolled out and they're a bit meh, but this one is fantastic. So I'm going to show you basically how you can improve the SEO of your site with Squarespace AI. Now you join me here on the site, and I'm going to show you the first application. So if we go down into settings and then under marketing, we'll find SEO appearance. We click in here, and then we're going to be presented with our SEO report. So basically you can see here, 7 of 7 pages are missing metadata. Then we've got 2 of 18 images are missing alt text. Now what we can do is simply click improve with AI, and it's going to scan the full site. And you can see here, AI has drafted a title, so an SEO title, and then a page description down here as well. You can actually edit these. So if you think, okay, this is a bit, it's not perfect, well, you can refine it in here. Or if you're happy, you can just go straight on, analyze them all, save and continue. If you know it's not right, but you don't really know what to write, you can just regenerate. And you don't have to do them all. You can regenerate a few at a time. Once you're happy, you can just hit save and continue like this. Now, the second application is going to be alt text. So it's going to bring up the alt text for images on the site here. Again, you can do the same. So regenerate. Or if you think, okay, well, this isn't quite perfect for SEO, well, then you can edit it. And let's say we're talking about dance studios, say for a dance studio. Once you're happy, hit save. Now, even if you're not using this in a way that you're automating everything, it still allows you to have all of the images in one place to change the alt text. So a lot of people will use alt text as almost a subsidiary SEO tool. They'll put keywords in there. This is just going to describe the image as is. So if you want to just basically have a place where you can easily edit as many images as you want, or the alt text, then this is a great place to do it. Now, the only caveat is I believe it's only, I think, up to 15 items at a time. So when you do get over that threshold, you'll have to do 15, then repeat, etc., etc. But once you're happy anyway, you hit save, and that is going to show you a report here. So all the pages have metadata, all images have alt text. And how long did that take? Maybe a couple of minutes tops. And I've been explaining it, so you'd probably do it even quicker. Now, I think that is an exceptional tool for basically any website ever. So Squarespace, they've knocked it out the park here. Now, if you found that useful, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.